Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As always, I'm Chris and I'm super blessed to have you guys here. So usually we'd be going into the computer, I'd be showing you charts, talking about strategies or what I've been doing trading wise, but instead I wanted to switch it up a bit and share something that's really important to me, because as soon as I learned this concept, it really allowed me to hone in on a strategy, test it quite a bit, and finally become consistently profitable. There's a reason I said it twice, because it is really important. You have to become consistently profitable, not sometimes guessing here, there. Maybe I'll get some money here, maybe I'll lose here. I don't really know. That's not how you're gonna win in trading. Okay, you need to be consistently profitable, meaning you're able to look at a chart, you can find your entry and your exit. In fact, you can find your exit before your entry. That's what I always say whenever I help somebody out. You can know whether there's an opportunity or not. All right, and as soon as you get in a position that 9 times out of 10, or if not then, a high probability you'll win. That's the importance of being consistently profitable. But check this out, I'm going to teach you guys a really cool concept. Again, as soon as I learned this, I was able to test strategies all the time, which I continually do, and I was able to find some that again make me consistently profitable. I'm gonna take a seat over here at my desk. I'm gonna move you guys. Actually, this is pretty much what it is. This is the money, baby. When you guys are starting trading, the first thing I want you to do is to stop trading demo accounts. No more demo accounts. And you always hear people say, oh, open up a demo account or a paper trading account. It's free. You can practice and figure out trading. But honestly, I think it does more harm than it does good. And here's why. Because it's not real money, okay? I still remember the days when I would open a brand new account, and not just me, anybody I would show trading to, they would open up a paper trading account, and the first thing they do, they buy as much of something as they can. There's no strategy. They don't even know what the fuck they're doing, but they just buy. They just buy, and then they find out they can sell, and they sell. And all of a sudden, the account goes from usually 100K, because that's, the standard, down. Just losing everything. And they're like, oh, what the hell? You're not gonna do that shit in real life. And if you do, you're not gonna be a trader for long. Okay? You're not even going to be a trader, because you're gonna lose all your money. What I want you guys to do is open up a real account. And here's why. Lose the emotion. Get used to actually trading and having a bit of drawdown in your account. Now, you shouldn't have too much, because you should be trading a strategy. Check out the video I did on how I beat the first FTMO challenge in less than 3 days. I showed you my entire strategy for how I trade gold. I want you guys to open up a real account and put something you can afford to lose, like $100, okay? That's what I did time and time again when I was getting started. I would put in a $100 into a real account. I keep saying the same words over because I cannot stress this enough. First, as soon as that's set up, you're gonna cancel all emotion. And what do I mean by that? You're literally gonna put the money in and pretend you already lost it. You already saw that money go. You have no connection to that money anymore. And it's so important you do that, because the reason a lot of people fail, I truly believe, is because people are so emotional when they're trading. They see their account in drawdown. They see their money going out the window, and then they don't know what the hell to do. If you're not able to control your emotion and do proper risk management, you guys are fucked. But that's not all, okay? This is what I really want to stress to you guys. You have that $100 account, and this is what I want you to do. By the way, shout outs. I learned this concept from a fellow YouTuber, Ty, on YouTube. Obviously, I'm sure you guys have heard of him and Trade Gang, and that's where I got this concept from. But shout outs to him, and I'm gonna definitely link his channel down in the description, just showing some love. And obviously, he helped me, so I want to pay it forward. You start with a $100 account, or you start with any amount that you can afford to risk, okay? I don't want you guys putting like $500 or $1,000. You're not ready, especially if you're just getting started. But I want you to start with $100, and you're gonna grow that to $200. You're gonna take that $100, you're gonna test out your strategy, and you're gonna grow it to $200. And then as soon as you get to $200, you're gonna take out $100. You can now pay yourself. Congrats, you made some money. But you're gonna go back to $100, and you're gonna do it again. You're gonna do this 5 times. Now, there's a reason for that. You want to prove that you are not lucky, meaning you didn't just get a one-off fluke. You want to be able to do this consistently, profitable every single day. Literally, I do this all the time. Yesterday, I started a brand new account. Today, I've still grown it up, and I'm doing the same things that I'm telling you guys. This is what really allows you to become a profitable trader. Because before, like I said, when I first started trading demo and all my friends that I've shown, what would always happen is I would just make random positions. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. But with this, I can actually trade a new strategy. I can test stuff out, and I can prove to myself that no matter what I trade, no matter what's happening in the market, if I'm able to flip a $100 account to $200 and I can do it multiple times, I'm gonna be profitable. And I can finally take some of that money I make from flipping those accounts and I can run them up. I can run those accounts up as much as I want. And I do this all the time, guys. One story for you very quick before I let you go. I literally would do this time and time again. And again, I still do it. I literally started an account 2 days ago, okay? And I'm still running it up. I go from 100 to 200, and then I go from 200 to 400, and then 400 to 1,000, 5 times every time, okay? Just proving my strategy works, proving I can do it. I got so good at this that finally one day I said, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna break free, I'm gonna literally try and see what I can do. I flipped $100 to 3, and then 3 to 5 grand under 2 weeks, okay, in under 2 weeks. Yeah, it's crazy. Time and time again, when I was flipping these accounts, I was making money. I was making money consistently, and I was growing these accounts from 100 to 200 bucks, okay? But as soon as you figure this out, you have a winning strategy, you have confidence, you know you can do it, you know you can do proper risk management, and you know you can win. Congratulations. Again, you just beat ever being broke again, right? I think that's my new tagline. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I'm really trying to grow on here. I want to share this with as many people as possible, all right? Full transparency, you know, we're not trying to sell courses and none of that bullshit. If you trade, you don't need to sell courses. Let's be straight up. If you're claiming you make all this money, you don't need to sell fucking bullshit courses. I'm just calling like it is. Anyways, guys, if you aren't subbed already, this is the part where, of course, I have to be a shameless plug and say, sub. I have a lot of amazing stuff coming up, all right? Sure, I figured a bit out. I'm showing you the entire journey. It's gonna be fun. And I'm showing everything I do day in and day out with you guys, all right? The goal here is to grow the channel because I want you guys to also get rich with me, all right? I want to grow this thing big and I want to help a lot of people. The last thing I'm gonna say is if you guys have any comments at all, comment below. Of course, this is the part I do this like a pro YouTuber even. I'm not that whatsoever. Comment below and I'm gonna answer your question. I'm gonna answer it to the best of my abilities like I always say. I don't even give a shit if you call me ugly or whatever. It is what it is, but I don't give a shit. Just comment below, let me know your thoughts on this video, and let me know future videos you guys want me to create as well, or things you want me to talk about more of or show. But yeah, that's it. That's where I leave you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.